Combine sugar, corn syrup, and water over medium heat. Cover and cook for 4 minutes. Remove the lid, add the butter, and bring to 240 degrees. Turn off the heat, add the vanilla and the sifted confectioner's sugar, dry milk, and salt. Once it's well combined, pour it onto a pan lined with silicone or parchment paper and cool until you can handle it. Let's do the orange. Orange?
Yeah. Pumpkin hands.
Add 2 or 3 drops of food coloring to your sections and knead until they're combined. Roll each piece into about 18 inches long. Cut it in half and roll each of those pieces into 22 inches long. Put the strands together, squish them, and cut into 4 to 6 inch pieces.
Get about there.
Yeah. Just 4 to 6 inch chunks to make it easier to work with. I would go smaller, like
That.
about like that.
Just like that.
Yeah. Then cut it into your desired shape. Let dry for at least an hour and store in an airtight container. I just finished editing for the Stay Up tomorrow and realized that I never gave a review. These are really good. The recipe comes from Alton Brown, linked down below for the recipe. They are really good. The texture is softer than candy corn and not as chewy, I would say. Candy corn usually is made with honey, and obviously this one didn't, but I think we're going to try to swap out some honey for the corn, swap out some of the corn syrup for honey next time. It almost to me tastes more like a buttercream fondant, not the gross fondant, like the good fondant kind. More of a melt in your mouth texture than the chewy, you have to chew it up texture of regular candy corn. So I would highly suggest this. If you don't like regular candy corn, I would still say give this a try, because the texture and taste is different enough from regular candy corn that, yeah, I think it's really good. This will become a staple for our family, and I was surprised by how quick it came together. I've been meaning to make this, for no joke, I think 4 years, and every year I just think, oh, it seems like so much work. It really is not. Mix everything up, let it boil, roll it out. That's truly all there is to it. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you give it a chance, give it a try. If you do, let me know how you like it down below. Thanks for watching.